If your website traffic has slowed down or your Google ranking is slipping, this video could be a game changer for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to delete old posts on WordPress the right way and explain how this simple cleanup boosts your SEO ranking. Stay with me till the end because I'll also share a bonus tip that prevents SEO loss when removing content. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to wordpress.com. Many people overlook this step, but cleaning up outdated content is one of the easiest ways to improve your site performance and search visibility. Why? Because old, low quality, or irrelevant posts send a bad signal to Google, making your entire site look less trustworthy. So we're fixing that now. Once you're on the homepage, click the login button at the top right. For a faster login, select Continue with Google, then choose the Google account that's connected to your WordPress site. In just a second, you'll land inside your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Now, look at the left-hand menu and click Posts. This will show you every piece of content you've ever published. But here's the trick. Don't just start deleting randomly. Instead, use the date filter at the top where it says All Dates. Click that drop down and select the oldest year first. This helps you quickly locate outdated, low-performing content. Once you choose the date, click the filter button. WordPress will now display your oldest post. Go through this list carefully and look for posts that are no longer relevant, too short, have no traffic, or provide no real value. These posts drag down your SEO score. To delete a post, simply hover over it and click Trash. Don't worry, this doesn't permanently delete it yet. WordPress moves posts to the trash folder, so you can still restore them later if needed. Repeat this for as many irrelevant posts as you want to clean up. A clean website means better crawling by Google and a stronger focus on quality content, which improves your ranking. Now here's the bonus tip I promise. If any deleted post had backlinks or old search traffic, don't just leave it. Set up a 301 redirect from that old post to a similar relevant page. This tells Google to pass on ranking value instead of losing it. By removing outdated content, your site becomes faster, cleaner, and more relevant. This improves user experience, boosts your SEO score, and helps your best content rank higher. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress and SEO tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.